How can you take a photo of the document on your iPhone? Let me cover the topic from multiple different angles. Let's get started. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, just like all the time, it depends on what you mean. So if you have like a document open on your iPhone, you can always just press the volume up button and the power button and just capture a screenshot or quote picture of the document. But I assume that's not really the thing that you are looking for. Most likely you just want to use the iPhone camera to scan the document which you have physically in front of you and have it stored and scanned on your phone. And if that is the goal, if that's the thing you want to achieve, you can open up the Files app of your device, just check out the place and the folders where you want to put it, just get inside and just then tap the three dots in the top right corner. This will of course give you many options, but one of them is going to be the scan documents. So when you tap on this, it's going to activate the camera. If the document is right in front of you, it might be automatically recognized. But if not, you can just manually press the shutter button, perhaps then perform some changes like adjust the corners of that document or, change some filters and whatnot. But essentially you save it and the document is going to be there in that folder where you selected it to be. So it's pretty simple. You can just make it show up right there and it's going to be there. You basically took a photo of the document, but it's in actual PDF format. It's nice, right? Because it's just not a regular picture from the camera. So I really think that that's the thing that you are going after. Let me know about that below in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.